If you thought Android handheld gaming had hit its peak, think again. Meet the AYANEO Pocket S2, a high-end, flagship-level portable console built from the ground up to redefine mobile gaming. With the brand-new Snapdragon G3 Gen 3 gaming platform at its core, this isn't just another Android gaming device. It's a statement. A complete leap in performance, energy efficiency, and ergonomic design, tailor-made for gamers who crave both power and style. From its 2K ultra-clear display to its massive battery and meticulously tuned controls, the Pocket S2 isn't here to play catch-up. It's here to lead. Let's start with what's under the hood. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon G3 Gen 3 chip, this device leverages 4nm architecture and an advanced 1+5+2 cryo-core setup with clock speeds up to 3.3 GHz. Paired with an Adreno A33 GPU running at 1.05 GHz, this combo isn't just for mobile titles. It handles full-frame emulation, heavy retro titles, and demanding 3D games with ease. Whether you're streaming AAA titles or emulating PlayStation classics, you're backed by serious horsepower. Max TDP hits 20W, and thanks to an aggressive thermal design, it maintains high performance without overheating. Game compatibility, no compromises. The AYANEO Pocket S2 brings native-level game support identical to what you'd expect from flagship Android phones like those running Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Plus, with its built-in device disguise feature, it bypasses model restrictions for select games. Translation: you get higher graphic settings and smoother frame rates, even in titles that typically limit options on Android handhelds. And it supports the turnip driver for high-end emulation of PC games too. Whether you're into mobile MOBAs, RPGs, or handheld versions of your favorite console games, Pocket S2's platform has your back. Now about that screen, and trust us, it's worth the hype. The Pocket S2 features a 6.3-inch borderless display with a 2K resolution of 2560 by 1440. That's 466 pixels per inch, backed by 600 nits brightness, 120% sRGB coverage, and 90% DCI P3 color reproduction. It's crisp, vivid, and immersive. Whether you're gaming indoors or outdoors, every detail pops. The one-piece glass design, ultra-narrow bezels, and flagship-level aesthetics make it as much a joy to look at as it is to use. But AYANEO didn't just stop at looks and raw power. They took hardware control seriously. Pocket S2 comes with medium-sized TMR electromagnetic joysticks that offer ultra-high precision and zero drift. They're durable, responsive, and backed with RGB lighting for a modern gaming vibe. Then there's the linear Hall triggers, giving you console-level pressure sensitivity. The 0815 X-axis linear motor handles vibration with detailed haptic feedback, whether you're dodging in a fighting game or cruising through terrain in a racing sim. Button quality has been improved across the board, offering better response, larger surface area, and clearer tactile feedback. Battery life? Also taken to the next level. The standard Pocket S2 comes with an 8,000 mAh battery, while the Pro model bumps that up to an insane 10,000 mAh, the largest ever on an AYANEO handheld. You're getting long gaming sessions without needing to tether yourself to a charger, and fast PD charging gets you back into action quickly. It's also lightweight despite the big power cell, with the Pocket S2 weighing in at just 428 grams and the Pro at 440 grams, both under 16 millimeters thick. Cooling is another area where the Pocket S2 impresses. It features a massive 6630mm Superscript 2 copper plate paired with 14295mm Superscript 2 fins and a high-efficiency ultra-thin fan. That combo keeps the system cool even under 20W loads while maintaining a comfortable grip. You can play for hours without your hands getting sweaty or the device throttling performance. It's an optimized airflow system that balances form and function beautifully. Design-wise, it's nothing short of luxury. You've got multiple color choices, from obsidian black and ice soul white to the nostalgic retro power and playful beat.duck pixel memory. The device uses a CNC arc aluminum alloy frame and a quad curved back cover with UV coating, offering that smooth, pebble-like grip you won't want to put down. Anti-slip shoulder buttons and crystal ABXY keys further elevate the experience. The Pro version even offers a detachable directional pad so you can switch between D-pad styles based on the game you're playing. AYANEO's attention to detail extends into the software too. The Pocket S2 runs Android 14 enhanced with AYA Space and AYA Home for full system control. You can map buttons, activate performance modes, or even spoof your device profile to unlock hidden game features. There's also keyboard mouse mode, streaming enhancements to reduce latency, and support for retro game libraries with automatic scraping and database management. It's not just a gaming device, it's a deeply personalized console in your hands. Audio and connectivity also check all the right boxes. Dual stereo speakers provide immersive sound, and you can customize EQ settings to match your preferences. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio fans, a full-function USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, and microSD expansion. Bluetooth 5.3 and high-speed Wi-Fi keep you connected, whether you're gaming online, streaming, or casting to a bigger screen. The AYANEO Pocket S2 is more than a product. It's a love letter to handheld gaming done right. Beautiful, powerful, and made for serious players who want console-grade control in an Android package. Whether you choose the base version or go all in on the Pocket S2 Pro with its extra battery and detachable D-pad, you're getting a device that was built for more than just casual gaming. It was built for gamers who want the future of Android gaming in the palm of their hands.